Today I'll be showing you how to create and modify files in Linux. I'm going to start with the command line. We'll start off with making a file. We'll use the touch commands and we'll call it new file. It's real original. And I'll do an ls command, and as you can see, new file is in there. Now maybe we'll rename the file. So what we'll do is we'll do the mv commands, and I will type in the name, original file name, and then I will type in the name that I want to change it to. Call it old file. I'll do another ls command to check the contents and see that it has changed to old file. Now I can actually move it to a different directory. So what I'm going to do is do the mv command, which will move it, since I'm actually going to put in the second spot a working directory to change it to. So do old file and temp directory. So and I'll do an ls command. Oops, it's gone. So we'll cd into temp directory, and then I'll do an ls, and as you can see, it's now in the temp directory. So other thing that I'm going to do is delete the file, which would be an rm command, and then type the file name, enter, and do another ls to see if it's actually gone, and as you can see, there's nothing in the directory whatsoever. So that's pretty much how you can create a file, rename a file, move a file, and delete a file using the terminal in Linux. Now I'm going to open up the file section and show you how to do it using the graphical interface. So we'll go back into the OSFP directory. I'll double click on that, and there's a couple ways you can create a file. It's very easy. You can either click on file and then go down to create new document, or we can right click on an empty space and create new document. I'm going to create an empty document, and then to name it, you just start typing whatever you want to call it. So we'll call it new file again. There it is. And I'm actually going to change the name, and the way I'm going to change that is right clicking on it and go down to rename. Very simple. And then just type in the new name that you want to call it. There you go, old file. Now what I'm going to do is drag it to another directory. So I can easily just go like this and bam, move it to a different directory. It's very simple. As you can see, it's inside a directory now, and there's not much to it. Now to delete, I'm just going to right click on the file, go down to delete, and it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to permanently delete old file? If you delete an item, it will be permanently lost. Yes, goodbye. So there you go. It is gone, not to be seen anymore. And that was how to create a file, rename a file, move a file, and delete a file using the graphical interface in Linux. Thank you very much.